Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna crochet classic heart. So we need hook number 2, cotton or acrylic yarn, marker and scissors. First we start from magic ring or magic circle. If you don't know how to make it, I will leave here a link for my video. It's very good tutorial for beginners. You will learn how to make magic ring and all other things. First round 6 single crochets in magic ring. And now tie to make a circle. Second round 12 single crochets. It's 2 single crochet in 1 loop. Third round 1 single crochet plus 1 increase. Altogether we will have 18 single crochets. In fourth round, make all single crochets. And fifth round, 2 single crochets plus 1 increase. Altogether we will have 24 single crochets. Make 2 slip stitches, and here we can cut this thread and then tie it. And repeat the same for the second detail. I already made it, and now we need to connect both of it. You can make connection from any side you wish. Choose the loop and crochet single crochet. For example, I will connect in this loop. In previous stitch of the first detail and in any you wish on other detail. And here we need to make 4 single crochets to connect both details together. Continue crocheting. In this round we need to make all single crochets, and here is better to place marker and you will not forget what was the first stitch of the round. It's the end of the round, and to avoid the hole between two parts we need to make single crochets between them inside of this connection. Only one single crochet and continue till the end. And here 7s, 8s, 9s and 10s rounds make all single crochets. Altogether it will be 40 single crochets in a round. From this place we start to making decreases. So 11th round 6 single crochets plus 1 decrease. Altogether we will have 35 single crochets. Continue in turn till the end. Round 12, 5 single crochets plus 1 decrease. Altogether in the end of round we will have 30 single crochets. Continue in turn till the end of the round. Round 30. 4 single crochets plus 1 decrease, altogether 25 single crochets in a round. Continue till the end. And now it's the best moment to fulfill our detail. And also it's the best time to subscribe on my channel, like this video, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you guys for crocheting with me and watching my video. I appreciate it so much. I already like what we have, so continue making. Round 14 and 15 make all single crochets. It will be 25 single crochets in a round. Round 16, 3 single crochets plus 1 decrease, altogether 20 single crochets. Round 17, 2 single crochets plus 1 decrease, altogether 15 single crochets. Round 18, 1 single crochet plus 1 decrease, and round 19, all decreases. And make some slip stitches and secure this thread. Here we are, our heart is ready. And now it's only your imagination decides what you can do with this heart. You can make it a keychain, you can make it for a toy or other things you wish. Good job, we have an ideal heart. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye bye!